That is so cool. Oh, this guy comes around too. Must be that he likes people. Mexican walking fish. I gotta pass by Andrew. Yes. Neat. The Mexican walking fish, axolotls, ambitious species. I don't think he... Yeah, he does, because he was driving. They produce hundreds of eggs at a time. They can regenerate limbs and repair injuries to their body, Andrew. That's cool. That's where they get the idea for, like, was it Spider-Man or whatever? Whatever one fixes their limbs. The white one doesn't move as much as the black one.